And just when you feel like quitting, do it one more time and see how stronger you come back. Disclaimer, this is based on true story, which is my story. So a lot of you know that I'm into corporate industry, working as a software engineer, and having an IT experience, we switch from companies to companies, and for that you have to prepare for interviews. So these days, I don't know if all of you know that, but I was preparing for my interviews, and it is a tedious process. And even when you have offers in hand, you get that thing to grab a better one every time when you prepare. So I was also in the same race. If you see, everything was going great in the beginning, getting offers, excitement, learning new things from every interview. But then there came a point where I started feeling that everything is becoming so stable and there is nothing new to learn or what is happening. So it just pumped me up with a lot of overconfidence. And then after clearing like 2 rounds, I was sure like I'm gonna get this one, I'm gonna crack this one. But somehow I got rejected in 2 of the companies in the same day after a lot of selections. There's a lot more to learn from each interview and each experience. But I thought I'm done. I mean, I've learned a lot in these 3 months. Itna ki I have not learned in a year. You know, I've upskilled a lot, and उसके वजह से I was like, हाँ हो ही जाएगा. And that overconfidence was something like, I mean, God has to show you, and He has everything. Every time He has to give you new challenges, and if you are going on that overconfidence level, He will bash you. God will put you into a situation where He'll make you realize, boss, itna overconfidence is not required. So that's what happened in the second last interview with me. So there was an interview. He was really pissing me off. So the time to process the setback of one interview to the schedule of another interview is very less. And the same happened today. And 12:45 was my interview, and 12:40 I was ready to back off. But then suddenly something happened, and in between all those negative thoughts कि नहीं मत देते हैं, I thought ठीक है, let's give it a try. What worst can happen? I will get rejected again, or it's not life. It's just a part of life. It's not my life. So why to take it personally? And then I just attended it. The interview quickly showed up, and the interview went really well. I was so expressive, and so it's 1:57, and already have received a positive feedback for that interview, which happened today at 12:45 p.m. And that's the reason I'm making this video, to tell all of you that the power of not giving up, even when you're feeling to give up, is something which you should focus for. Because when you feel like not doing it, you should do it even once more, so that you will be able to bounce back even stronger. Not only this, but you should always keep in mind that what is it that God wants to teach you, because He'll always keep throwing challenges at you to make you uncomfortable in order to make you reach to the next level. So always keep that in mind and keep taking actions no matter what. Even if you have setbacks, just process it, give yourself time, but try not to step back, but keep taking action so that you bounce back even stronger. So that's it for this video. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.